Folks, today I'll be teaching you how to construct a triangle when you are given the length of the three sides. Now, to construct a triangle when given the length of the three sides, draw one side AB. Now let's assume we have to draw a triangle of sides 3, 4, and 5 centimeter. So you are going to draw the length of the side 3 centimeter. So let's draw the 3 centimeter here. So let me start from 2. So now we are going to draw 3 centimeters from 2. So that will be 5. We'll get to 5. So this is 3 centimeters. Now let's call this. This is A, and this is B. Now this is one side. Then next we center A and a radius of one of the remaining sides. Draw an arc. Now the one of the remaining sides is this 4 centimeter side. So I'm going to open our compass to 4 centimeter. You can see I'm actually measuring it. So when you want to measure 4, you measure from 1 to 5. So this is 4 centimeters. Now you, with center A, you draw an arc to cut the then with center B, you draw for the rest, for the remaining. So let's make it 3, 4, and 4. So let's use the same radius to draw on to cut the first one. So 3, 4, and 4. So you can see the intersection. This is the intersection here. This is the intersection of these two lines. So then let's call this intersection will be C. So then you join the 3 together. Join A to C. So that's what I'm doing here. Then also you join B to C. It is it right here. And bravo, you have your triangle ABC. So this is how to draw a triangle when given the length of 3 sides. Thank you for watching.